Okay, so let's talk about the structure of an atom and all the parts that make up an atom. Well, what is an atom? An atom is an extremely small particle, we're talking smaller than cells, that is going to make up all matter. There are three parts that it consists of, called protons, neutrons, and electrons. The word atom comes from a Greek word that means cannot be divided. So first, let's look at a diagram. We can see here, this is the nucleus in the center, just like in a cell. The ones that have nothing on them, these little blue ones, are called neutrons. Okay, those are the largest particles. They're found in the nucleus, along with these positive charged ones called protons. So protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. Electrons are negatively charged, and they're a little special because they're actually rotating and orbiting around the nucleus like this out here. So when we think about them, they're kind of the special ones as far as location. They're around the nucleus. So protons are positively charged. They're found in the nucleus. The number of protons an atom of an element has is the same as its atomic number. So it has a positive charge, think P for positive or plus, and the symbol is also a plus sign. Another particle are the electrons. These are negatively charged. These are the ones that are found orbiting the nucleus. The number of electrons that an atom of an element has is also its atomic number. So very easy. Just look at your periodic table. Boom, that's how many electrons you have. They have a negative charge, so their symbol is a minus. And last we have neutrons. These are neutral. They have no charge. It's actually the heaviest part of the atom. Think nu is neutral or neutron or N for neutral. So the symbol is just kind of a zero here because it doesn't have a charge positive or negative. The atomic number, as we've discussed, is what determines the order for the elements on the periodic table. So we start with hydrogen over here, we have helium over here, lithium is 3, beryllium is 4, boron is 5, and so on. And we go across each period from top to bottom. Now those numbers, we now know what those mean. So when we look at these elements, we know that the atomic number is at the top. We have the element symbol, the element name, and then the atomic mass or weight at the bottom. So that's kind of a quick review from the periodic table. The atomic number tells us how many protons we have for that element. It also tells us the number of electrons. Okay, so lithium has 3 protons. Lithium also has 3 electrons. The atomic mass or weight, on the other hand, tells us the number of protons plus neutrons. So if we rounded this to a whole number, it would be 7, okay? And then that would be able to, we would have to calculate how many neutrons we have because we have to take out the protons. So how many protons are in one atom of lithium? Easy, 3, same as the atomic number. How many electrons are in one atom of lithium? Easy, 3, same as the atomic number. The only one we have to calculate is the neutrons. So we take our atomic mass, we're going to round this to 7 because this is 6.9, so this first digit is higher than 5. We're going to go to 7. That's the protons and the neutrons. So we have to take out the protons, which we know from our previous slide is 3. So if you have 7 minus 3, that's going to give us 4 neutrons. So again, protons and electrons, same as the atomic number. The only one you have to calculate for is the neutrons. Take the atomic mass, make sure it's a whole number, subtract the atomic number, and that's how you calculate how many you have.